Hi everyone, my name is Durgesh Shukla and I am Office Administration Trainer at ICICI Foundation. In this video, we would see how to scan a document. Now let's see how to scan a document. If I want to scan this page, then I have to place this page in this tray. So I'll open the tray. In that I have to place this. For an example, if I want to take the scan copy of this side, so I have to put it in this way. I will keep it properly in this glass lid and close the tray. Now while closing the tray, you have to ensure that the page does not get misplaced. Now I will go into my system and open the client tool software. In that I will get the option to scan the document. After clicking on scan button, this hard copy of document will be converted into PDF file or whatever the format you want to select, you can select from there, and you can save this document as a soft copy in your system.
Open client tool software in your system. Here you will get various options. Currently we want to scan a document, so I'll click on scan. Now here you will get the various options. So I will select in PDF format, scan to PDF. Now here I will get an option to save the file at desired location. So what I will do is I want to save this file in my desktop and I'll name this file as scan test. Now you can see it's processing, so it will take some time. It depends on the document and the connectivity. So you can see here very easily I have converted a physical document into a soft copy, and now here you can see the name of that file. So this way you can scan a document.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning.